this. We truly appreciate that, and as Danny rightly mentioned, that you can have it in as many as manuals, as many as SOPs, all of these small bits, but having it all put together in one document is a big task. You achieved it, long period, doesn't matter. It's the guy who takes the initiative, he wins it, and you did it. Important, of course, as Danny reminded, that we need to keep it updated, and that's a task which we need to carry forward. This needs to be updated, this needs to be polished up, upgraded even maybe to that extent. For those of you who don't know, Satya is a man of much more talents. You know those lovely pictures which I keep sending you, all those are, he's a brilliant photographer. He believes in seeing the world through his eyes. Yeah, one of them is behind. Yeah. And there are multiple such pictures and different takes on how aviation can be looked at. And it's brilliant to see through, and it's for us, and that's where I appreciate not only Satya, his colleagues who accommodated his time which he devoted for this work, but also his managers Santanam, Arun, for allowing him that liberty to work within or outside his office hours on this particular aspect, and allowing his other talents to come to some sort of a result. This is an indication to the rest of the team members that if you want to do something different, we are here to, and we not only appreciate that, we want you to do it. So then let's do things differently. Let's look at it differently, let's do things differently, and we are sure that the perspectives which we look at operations on will open many eyes. No, I don't think anyone, whether in safety, whether in engineering, whether in maintenance of projects, thought of putting all of these points into one map. We feel it, we require it, so that's why we thought of doing it, right? So let's look at operations from operations perspective, rather than looking at from maintenance perspective, from a project perspective, from a capacity perspective, from so on and so forth. Let's look at it from operations angle. That's what I request all of the team members. Start looking at, follow Satya's example. Look at this sort of opening up of ideas. If you have such ideas, invest time into it. Your managers are surely going to allow you to do that. And that's my word to all of you, that we will allow and we will encourage these sort of activities such that this becomes a much more robust environment. Thanks a lot, Satya, and keep doing the good work which you are doing. Thank you.